How often do you buy shoes?
Oh yes, because it helped me more like fashionable.
I would say every couple of months. I'm trying to save up for a new car right now, so I don't like to spend too much unnecessary money. Having said that, I usually buy a new pair at the start of every season. Do you like to wear shoes that are comfortable or good looking?
Yes.
Definitely good looking, hopefully comfortable too. I care much about the appearance and if they complement my outfit. However, I try to buy nicer brands so that more comfortable should be expected. Moreover, many comfortable shoes are often unattractive, like Crocs for example. Are people willing to buy expensive shoes?
Yeah, I think it's almost people.
Some people. I think people who are wealthy are more apt to buy expensive brands. On the other hand, there are some people who would rather have a few quality items rather than a bunch of cheap quality pairs. So I think this type of person often tends to buy more expensive shoes also. Why do some people have too many shoes?
It depends to your budget. They want to the comfortable.
Well, there could be various reasons. I think one is that perhaps they see shoes on sale, so they buy them on a whim, even if they don't really need them. Moreover, some people are really into shoes, so they like to collect them. Lastly, maybe they keep their old shoes, so their collection keeps growing.